Hey guys, I'm Dhruv from Freefall Interface.
And this is Malleant. This is you, a game audio designer. And like every other sound designer, you want your game to sound amazing, detailed, dynamic, and expressive. And that often means using non-dynamic effects inside your middleware or game engine. Because to make sure your audio feels just as good in-game as it did during the design stage, you almost always need that minor EQ tweak. But here's the problem. All these effects come at a cost. The increase in CPU usage. The optimization cost might not be so noticeable with just 3 to 5 voices, but audio systems are rarely so simple. Housing hundreds of assets across layers and variations for just one game mechanic. And that's not even considering the amount of concurrent voice instances. And so, these small effects start adding up to be huge costs in your audio processing budget. The current solution is to look for the original DAW file with said assets and begin the long and tedious cycle of processing, renaming, exporting, and reimporting, and then hoping that those 2 dBs of distortion was what you really needed. And that's where Malleant comes in, because improving audio should not be a logistical challenge. Malleant is a standalone audio tool built around an asset-based workflow that lets you host all your VST3 plugins with total routing freedom. So build your effect chains as you please, following which it allows you to process, render, and re-import hundreds of assets with ease, turning a 2-hour process into a 2-minute breeze. It's simple, just switch it on and Malleant automatically connects to your local Wwise session, fetching all the events in your project. Alternatively, you can also import all your audio assets directly into Malleant and simulate the in-game playback structure by choosing how to group and play your sounds. In many ways, Malleant can serve as your quick change tool and your QA partner. After importing all your files and events, select which ones you want to process, build your plugin chain by adding plugins from your deck or loading up your favorite presets. Then, start prototyping live with Wwise and your game engine. That's right, you can tweak your effects while playtesting your game in real time, as Malleant takes and returns the live audio feed from your Wwise session. A similar native integration with meta sounds is currently in the works. Once you're happy with your processing and it sounds good to go, just print it. With a full range of rename options, Malleant keeps your naming conventions clean and consistent. Export multiple files at once to the respective different folders on your file tree so that you can keep your team lead happy. Furthermore, Malleant can even re-import your newly exported assets straight into the respective Wwise SFX objects automatically. And don't worry, the originals stay safe. The new versions are simply added as additional sources, so you can switch back anytime with ease. To sum it up, Malleant is a powerful standalone tool focused on an asset-based workflow helping game audio developers work freely to improve and deliver a better sound without the hassle of going through a DAW or sacrificing their game's performance. I will now give a live time demonstration of how effortless and quick Malleant is to use with your Wwise projects. Alright, here is a Wwise session loaded up with some different play events. This one in particular plays the zombie walks for running. Now I want to spice it up, add some crazy phase and maybe some chorus. I'll move over to the demo build of Malleant and simply select which event I want to process by pressing send. Next, I'll load up my preset plugin chain for adding phase. Now, let me add some parallel processing for some chorus. Let me change the input gain going into my chorus and change some of the parameters over here. Let's do some A/B testing. I can now simply test and tweak my parameters while playing back from Wwise itself. Once I'm happy, I can simply go to my export panel and Malleant automatically fetches where the original 10 SFX files are located. Simply add a suffix, press rename, and click reimport into Wwise. After exporting, we can see that Malleant has automatically created the new assets in the original SFX folder. And once we head back into our Wwise session, we can see that Malleant has added the new assets as new sources. That means going back to the original simply requires one click. And that's it. It's done. No optimization cost with a more fun sound.
The Freefall interface team has been working really hard to make this tool a reality, and we're incredibly excited to finally share it with you guys. There's much more to come, and we'd love for you all to join the beta program and experience Maliant for yourself. You can sign up now at our website, and the beta version will be sent to you at the release date. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.